and welcome to today's interview. We are here to discuss about the diesel conversion process, and here we have VEERA Group founder Mr. Venkatesh. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today, sir. So let's dive right in. Can you please share the current conversion rate of diesel and how does it compare to industry standards, sir?
The thing is, now I'm going to explain like what is the current conversion rate for the used engine oil diesel. Let's say like if you put 1 liter of oil, you're going to get 800 to 850 milliliter of diesel. This is the conversion. Let's say in the mathematical terms, if you want to say like 80 to 85%, it depends on the oil. So what makes the difference of the oil? That means if the oil has more water or it has more burnout, I mean the engine oil has more burnout, then that has more carbon particles, the 5% difference will be there. But 80 to 85% is the range. All the properties from the diesel which is coming out from our machine, it is similar to the industrial standard diesel parameters. Let's say the C10 number, the diesel range, if you are taking, it's from 45 to 55 is the range. So our is like 48, 49, it will be in the range. So it's similar to the standard diesel. And also the flash point, pour point, all the technical parameters which it's in our catalog, you can maybe able to check it. What about the things which you have, the standards of diesel and our diesel. So we maintain that because our catalyst that will able to maintain our diesel standards and quality and also the yield ratio.
So what different types of oils can be used in the machine to convert to diesel, and how does the percent output vary?
Let's say if you're going in a garage, so we design machines which can adapt for all kind of raw materials which can be mixed together. Because if you're going in a garage, the garage people, they take used engine oil, they take transmission or a gearbox oil, and they're going to put it together. They don't have a separate bin for this. And also our machine take hydraulic oil, gearbox, transmission and used engine oil. These all oils can be put together. Our system give the same output and the similar yield for the all oil, because our system can able to do all kind of mixed oil except the transformer oil. Any petroleum oil can be converted into diesel based in our system.
Yes, sir. So what is the typical electricity consumption of the machine, and are there any energy saving features?
You know what, our technology was started very old, and now we are having a molecular distillation technology which is mainly for the energy reduction. If you see, like if a typical distillation system, when you are heating an oil, it will take more time for the distillation process. What our molecular distillation, it is a very simple. If you put a water and scrap it off, that will evaporate fast. The same thing, so we put our system, the molecular distillation, that will heat it up in each molecule level of oil. That is why we are saving energy and we are getting the same output. So that is how we implement it. And the energy consumption, it varies from the different range, from the different capacity. So that we can provide you which model you are going to choose it, and we are going to able to give that kind of energy ratios.
Can you explain in detail the features of the remote monitoring system, including how it enables control of the emission from a phone and setup of a camera, sir?
Okay. The remote monitoring system, it is not like a rocket science, but we want to make it simple. For example, if somebody is operating our machines, but a client want to see what the machine is running or not, and they have the live access to control the system. That's we are using with VNC in our computer system. So they just download the VNC. They just connected, Wi-Fi has to be connected in our system. That the machine is operated. In the phone, they just put the username and password, and they get the screen which is displaying in the machine. That is going to be displayed exactly in their phone. So then they can able to control or access the remote monitoring system. That will be the useful feature for the client and who is operating also. It has a better communication. But all you have to ensure that your Wi-Fi is in good connected. Don't go for a cheaper Wi-Fi, huh?
That's amazing, sir. How does the remote monitoring system contribute to reducing manpower requirements, and are there any other benefits or advantages of it, sir?
Okay, here I can say, I know how to operate the machine, as well as my client know how to operate the machines. But he can't go and sit somewhere and do the work. But he can hire somebody who's less technical. He don't have a technical background, he don't know anything, but he can do what my client is going to say. Let's say if somebody is there, I'm going to say, okay, just fill the oil and fill the water. If anything happens, just call me. That's it. So I'm going to put this machine first in the manual mode. I'm just going, okay, this temperature is this level, and put it in auto mode. So I can stay anywhere in the world, and I put it in auto mode, and it's going to run automatically. The person who is there is going to do only the physical work, not the skilled work. Because anywhere in the world, the skilled people need more money, or we have to pay more to get the skilled people. And it is very difficult. Some places you need to get the skilled people. So that's how the remote monitoring is helpful 100%. The client can able to monitor and control the system remotely, and the physical person need to be there just to be monitored. Anyone can monitor. So that's what our remote monitoring is helpful for the clients in the real time.
So thank you so much, sir, for your time, for sharing your insights and your expertise mission.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.